So let's try some cake. Let's try some cake. So I went to this patisserie place and it's called, I don't know, Tous Les Jours, right? Freshly baked every day, right? I was just feeling like I wanted something to eat, and I went to this place because I've had their cakes before and their cakes are diabetic friendly. So what these are all called cloud cakes. So let me tell you what a cloud cake is. A cloud cake is an incredibly light, airy, and fluffy dessert, often compared to angel food cake or Japanese cheesecake. It is characterized by its delicate crumb and melt in your mouth texture. It has a light as air, mousse-like or cloud-like texture that is not heavy or overly sweet. So for somebody like me who has diabetes, this is a perfect dessert. So let us try these cakes. Let me show you these. This one is called a green tea. Let's see. Green tea cake with cloud cream and strawberries topped with seasonal fruits. You're gonna have green tea, sponge cake, the cloud cream, and strawberries. So let's get the cover off of this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's taste that. It's pretty much just cake and fluffy cream. So, fluffy cream and strawberry. There we go. That's good. I can taste the strawberry. The strawberry really gives it a nice balanced taste. Give that sweetness. I can't taste green tea. The green tea is not noticeable. I don't know any different. It just tastes like I'm eating a normal cake with probably flavor, what do you call it now? The coloring, green coloring. Let's see, I'm not sure what this is on top. Let's see what this is. Maybe this is a mini apple. It's a grape. Very good. Well balanced flavor. That was a grape. A very big grape. Okay. Let's get that out the way. Next thing, let's try these. Let's take this one off. Where do we take it off? Okay, there. Oh, ooh. There's a lot of cream coming off here. Let's try this one next then. So the reason why this is diabetic friendly, it's because it's just basically cream. It's just basically whipped cream and some little slices of cake. But it's more cream than cake, right? What do you say? Like, look at that. Or maybe it's equal cake. But you have 1, 2, 3 layers of cream. So that's why I would say more layers of cream than cake. All right, so this one is cappuccino. I think I'm gonna love that one. Let me see what that one is. I don't see it. All right, well, I don't have the cappuccino, but this one is cappuccino cake. Look at that. We're gonna try the cappuccino cake. Let's take it off. Let's take it out. There's bits of coffee in there. Like, oh no, chocolate. Chocolate flakes. And I'm sure it's gonna taste even better with the strawberry. But this is just basically light chocolate layers, cream. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. This is a lot of the cappuccinos in the whipped cream. It's very, the cake is very soft and more on the drier side to balance out the cream, so it just complements each other. It's not dry as in distastefully dry, but just not wet as you probably may expect it because the cream is on it. So the next one I'm gonna try is the chocolate cake. Chocolate one is sweet and soft cloud cream layered with chocolate cake and delicious chocolate curls on top. So you have sponge chocolate, cloud cream, and strawberries. So you can see the strawberries. Can you see the strawberries? Let's show you. Let's show you the strawberries at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Whoop. And then there's blueberry on top. Ooh, my hand. Yeah. All right, let's dig in. It just blends together. Just melts in your mouth. The cake just disappeared in my mouth. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. That strawberry really adds a nice balance of sweetness to it. All right, so we're gonna put away the chocolate cake for now. Let's try, this one is called a blueberry cake. Blueberry cloud cake. Yeah. So I guess this is a blueberry cream on top. A blueberry gel on top with blueberries. This one's a little sweeter. I think the fact that the berries are incorporated in the cake, look, it really adds some sweetness to it. The blueberries have a sweetness and a tartness. This one's my favorite so far. Yeah, this one's my favorite. All right, let us try. So we have mango to try. This one is the mango. They put this plastic over it, kind of like a veil, to prevent it from drying out. It also adds nicely to the presentation, doesn't it? All right, let's try the mango cake. This one has mango inside of it and mango on top. Or is that orange? Yes, mango on top. Let's see. See? Let's up there. Yeah. So the mango, it is cloud cake layered with mango cloud cream and topped with mangoes. All right. So we got everything in there. We got mangoes and everything. Mm-hmm. I can taste the mango. Yeah. It's just smooth and the mango is a little bit tart and the cream is sweetened. So it just balances it out. Everything, once you take a bite, you can know it's mango. It's not like the green tea where I was trying to figure out what kind of, like what to expect. Oh, this one is like, yeah. I think this one's my favorite, then the blueberry. This is good. This is really good. All right, let us try the strawberry tiramisu. That is this one. And that's supposed to be, oh, that one, this cake is blueberry yogurt cake. Yeah, so this is blueberry yogurt cloud cake. And then we have strawberry tiramisu cake with layers of mascarpone cheese, mousse, and strawberry puree. All right, let's dig in. Let's have everything. Okay. So that's what it looks like. And then there it is. So this looks like strawberry puree mixed in the cake. It's very strawberry. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. This one's okay. I've never had a strawberry tiramisu before. All right. This one is cream. This one is, let's see, peach cream. It said summer's classic flavor. I thought it would be flavor. Peaches and cream in a cake. All right. And they have their nice little logo on there. And that's actually chocolate. So it's edible. Look at the cake. There's a layer of peach in there. And that's the logo. All right. Let us take it from this side. There we go. Look at the peaches. Peaches and cream. Okay. This is different. I can taste the cake is more crumbly. It's not as smooth and melt in your mouth as these cloud cakes. On top, you have white chocolate. Right there. So bright. Gosh. I think it is white chocolate shavings. These are good. Well, I just thought I would share some of my cakes with you. I feel like for every bite that I've taken, it's like I've had a full slice of cake or more, maybe 2 slices. So thank you for joining me today, guys. I'm gonna get these all put away, and yeah. But it's just not too sweet. It's just basically cream, a lot of cream. I'm also supposed to be on a diet, so I think this would be okay for my diet, like one of those cheat days, and you just want to eat something sweet, and it's not gonna be too fattening because it's just a lot of cream and 2 layers pretty much of cake, 2 to 3 layers of cake. Yeah, 3 layers actually. So 3 layers of cream, 3 layers of cake. Yeah. All right. Take care.